Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face using Maybelline only. So let's get right into it. First, I'm doing my makeup a little bit differently today. I'm going to start with brows, and I'm using the Total Temptation brow pencil, and I use two colors. Right now I'm using the soft brown in the front, and then the rest of it I used a deep brown or a dark brown color for the rest of my brows, and then I just lined it up with some concealer. And I'm going to apply some concealer to the eyelid to be used as an eyelid primer to help prevent creasing of the eyeshadows. And then one important step is you want to set that with some powder. That way the eyeshadows blend very smoothly. And I'm going to take this color right here from the City Kids Pink Edge palette. This is an eye and cheek palette, and I'm just going to use that in the crease as a transition color. And the brush that I'm using is a Makeup Addiction Cosmetics blending brush. This is one of my favorite brushes because it helps blend the eyeshadow so beautifully. And now I'm going to take this dark color in the palette. And as you can see, I'm just applying that eyeshadow on the outer V only. And whatever's left over on the brush, I do go into the crease, but it's very little product because I already put so much on the outer crease. And I'm just gonna do some singing, I guess. And right now I'm applying the Maybelline Master Prime Long Lasting Eyeshadow Base. I'm using this to serve as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply. It's going to help it be more pigmented and also last longer throughout the day. Now using this gorgeous shimmery golden color, I'm going to apply that right on top of that base that I applied. And I do wet the brush. When I did this, I didn't show it, but I did apply this with a wet brush so that it's even more intensified. Now I'm going to take some more of that dark color and kind of blend where that eyelid color meets that outer crease color. And then I'm going to go in with the Covertude eyeliner. And this is my favorite eyeliner, guys. It's so easy to apply. And it's so pigmented. I just really love it. It's great for beginners. It's great for if you know how to apply liner. I'm basically a beginner at eyeliner because I never wear it. And this was just so easy to apply. Next, I'm going in with this makeup remover wipe to clean up any eyeshadow fallout on my face. And I'm going to start off by using my Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer before I apply foundation. And this primer is so amazing, you guys. I love it. It's one of my favorites, and it helps to blur and smooth your imperfections. Next, I'm going to go in with the Superstay foundation, and I got the wrong color. This was the color Golden, and as you can see, it was too yellow, too golden for my skin tone, so I was disappointed in that, but I did correct it with the concealer. So if you get a foundation that's a little bit too dark for you or not really your color, you can fix that by adding some concealer. So right now I'm just blending that with a Makeup Beauty Sponge by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. And after that, I'm going to use the Master Contour Stick. And I really like this for contouring. The only thing I don't like is that it's like dual-sided. Like there's highlight on one side and contour on the other. And the highlight part kind of like mixes in with the contour. So that's one downside about it. But other than that, I love it. And now I'm going to go in with the Superstay Better Skin Concealer. This is very full coverage and it's so creamy and I love it. And now I'm going to blend everything. I'm going to first blend the contour with a Morphe B27 brush. I love using this brush to blend my contour. And now to blend the concealer, I'm going to use Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Beauty Sponge. And guys, I've used so many sponges, and this one has got to be my favorite one, even more than the Beauty Blender, because it just blends the foundation and the concealer very flawlessly. And I've been reaching for this every time I do my makeup, and I'll be like, what Beauty Blender? Guys, I don't even reach for the original Beauty Blender anymore because I love how this blends so much. And you guys got to try it. So let me know if you try it and you'll thank me later. Next, to set that concealer, I'm going to use the I think this is the Master Fix setting powder. And you don't need a whole bunch of this. So I'm taking my beauty sponge and I dipped it in the powder and I'm pressing that into my skin. I'm not baking with it, I'm just pressing it into my skin. And I'm going to keep pressing that in until it kind of like disappears, as you can see. And then whatever's left over on the sponge, I'm going to just apply it everywhere else the concealer is at. And then I'm going to take this loose powder and just apply that to the perimeter of my face, everywhere else where the concealer is not. And I'm using a Makeup Addiction Jumbo Powder Brush. It's a wonderful brush, you gotta get it. And after I do that, I'm going to bronze my face using the Master Bronze and Highlight Kit. And I'm going to mix these two colors together and apply that to my cheekbones, the jawline, forehead. And also I'm going to put some on my nose as well to kind of like contour my nose. And I'm doing this happy dance because I'm almost done with my makeup and then I get to take pictures after that. Okay, so for mascara, I'm using the Colossal Big Shot mascara. This is Maybelline's collaboration with Makeup Shayla, and she did a very great job with picking out the best mascara. I love the wand. I love how it makes my lashes look, and it's just amazing. For blush, I'm using Maybelline's Master Blush Color and Highlight Kit. And I'm applying that berry color all the way at the end of the palette. And I start tapping that on my cheeks at first and then just kind of blend upwards. For a highlighter, I'm going to apply the Gigi Hadid, I don't know if I messed up the name, but I'm going to use that liquid strobe illuminator, and I'm going to apply that first with a brush and then tap it with my finger to help it blend better. And then I'm going to use this metallic highlighter, and this one is called Molten Gold, and it's definitely like Molten Gold. It was having my cheekbones highlighted and popping, and it was very beautiful, and I'm in love with it. For my lipstick, I'm using Maybelline's Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I think this one is called Smoky Rose, and it's so pretty. I think this is more of a fawn color, but it's not going to stop me from wearing it during the spring and summertime. But this is the completed look, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment and let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.